Agile Project Daily Standup. The Daily Standup, also known as the Daily Scrum, is a brief daily meeting in an Agile project where the team synchronizes work and discusses progress. The key components of a daily stand-up include time box duration. Definition: the meeting is typically limited to 15 minutes. Purpose: keeps the meeting focused and efficient, ensuring minimal disruption to the team's workday. Regular schedule. Definition: held at the same time and place every working day. Purpose: establishes routine and consistency, making it easier for team members to attend. Team participation. Definition: all team members, including the Scrum Master and Product Owner, participate. Purpose: ensures everyone is aligned and aware of the team's progress, challenges, and plans. 3 key questions. Each team member answers these 3 questions. What did I do yesterday? Purpose: provides a quick update on progress since the last meeting. What will I do today? Purpose: shares the plan for the current day, helping the team understand the work for the day. Are there any impediments or blockers? Purpose: identifies obstacles that might hinder progress to be promptly addressed. Focus on collaboration. Definition: encourages team members to share information, collaborate on solving problems, and coordinate efforts. Purpose: fosters teamwork and alignment, ensuring the team works effectively together. Impediments and blockers. Definition: issues or challenges that are raised during the meeting. Purpose: allows the team or Scrum Master to take action to remove obstacles quickly. Progress tracking. Definition: the team uses tools like burn-down charts or task boards to visualize progress. Purpose: helps the team track the completion of tasks and monitor progress toward the sprint goal. Facilitation by Scrum Master. Definition: the Scrum Master facilitates the meeting, ensuring it stays on track and adheres to Agile principles. Purpose: helps maintain focus, ensures participation, and addresses any administrative needs. Transparency and accountability. Definition: team members openly share progress and challenges. Purpose: promotes transparency, builds trust, and holds team members accountable for their commitments. Adaptive planning. Definition: allows the team to adapt plans based on new information or changing circumstances. Purpose: ensures the team remains flexible and responsive to change, aligning with Agile principles. The Daily Stand-Up is a critical component of Agile practice, helping teams stay aligned, communicate effectively, and address issues promptly to maintain momentum throughout the sprint. There is a sprint review in an Agile project, which is a meeting held at the end of each sprint to inspect the work completed and gather feedback from stakeholders. The key components of the sprint review are presentation of completed work. Definition: the development team presents the work completed during the sprint. Purpose: demonstrates the product increment to stakeholders and provides an opportunity to see progress. Product increment. Definition: the sum of all product backlog items completed during the sprint. Purpose: represents the latest version of the product that is potentially shippable and usable. Stakeholder involvement. Definition: stakeholders, including customers, users, and other interested parties, are invited to the sprint review. Purpose: provides a forum for stakeholders to offer feedback, ask questions, and discuss the product's future direction. Product owner's role. Definition: the product owner discusses the product backlog as it stands, including what has been completed and what remains. Purpose: ensures stakeholders are aware of the current state of the product and any changes in priorities or scope. Review of sprint goals. Definition: the team reviews the sprint goal and discusses whether it was achieved. Purpose: provides a measure of success for the sprint and helps assess the effectiveness of the team's efforts. Feedback and discussion. Definition. Stakeholders provide feedback on the product increment and discuss any new ideas or changes. Purpose. Helps the team gather valuable insights, refine the product backlog, and align the product with stakeholder needs. Adaptation of product backlog. Definition. Based on feedback, the product backlog is updated to reflect changes in priorities, new requirements, or adjustments. Purpose. Ensures the product backlog remains a living document, evolving based on stakeholder input and market conditions. Inspection of progress. Definition. The team reviews progress toward the overall project goals. Purpose. Helps stakeholders understand how the product is evolving and assess whether it is on track to meet long-term objectives. Time box duration. Definition. The sprint review is typically time-boxed to ensure it is concise and focused. Purpose. Keeps the meeting efficient and ensures productive use of everyone's time. Collaboration and planning for next steps. Definition. Collaborative discussion on next steps, potential changes, and upcoming priorities. Purpose. Aligns the team and stakeholders on future work and helps plan the next sprint. The sprint review fosters transparency, collaboration, and continuous improvement by involving stakeholders in the inspection of the product and gathering feedback for future development. A sprint retrospective in an Agile project is a meeting held at the end of a sprint to reflect on the process, identify areas for improvement, and plan actionable steps to enhance team performance. The key components of a sprint retrospective include reflection on the sprint. Definition. The team reflects on the events, processes, and outcomes of the sprint. Purpose. Provides an opportunity to evaluate what went well, what didn't, and how to improve. What went well. Definition. Team members discuss positive aspects of the sprint. Purpose. Reinforces good practices and boosts team morale by acknowledging successes. What didn't go well. Definition. Team members discuss challenges, obstacles, or things that didn't work as expected. Purpose. Identify areas for improvement and encourages open and honest communication. Actionable improvements. Definition. The team identifies specifics, actionable steps to address issues and improve processes. Purpose. Ensures continuous improvement by implementing changes in future sprints. Root cause analysis. Definition. Analyzing the underlying causes of issues encountered during the sprint. Purpose. Helps the team understand the root of problems to prevent recurrence and improve processes. Team collaboration and participation. Definition. All team members, including the Scrum Master, actively participate in the retrospective. Purpose. Ensures diverse perspectives are considered and fosters a sense of ownership and commitment to improvements. Facilitation by Scrum Master. Definition. The Scrum Master facilitates the retrospective, guiding the discussion and ensuring focus on constructive outcomes. Purpose. Keeps the meeting on track, encourages participation, and helps the team stay aligned with Agile principles. Improvement plan. Definition. A plan outlining the agreed upon improvements, who will take responsibility, and how progress will be tracked. Purpose. Provides a clear roadmap for implementing changes and tracking effectiveness. Time box duration. Definition. The sprint retrospective is typically time boxed to ensure it is concise and focused. Purpose. Keeps the meeting efficient and ensures productive use of time. Psychological safety. Definition. Creating an environment where team members feel safe to speak openly and honestly without fear of blame or criticism. Purpose. Encourages candid discussions, fosters trust, and promotes a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Tools and techniques. Definition. The use of various tools, techniques, or exercises. For example, start, stop, continue. 5 whys or mad, sad, glad to facilitate the retrospective. Purpose. Help structure the discussion and make the retrospective engaging and productive. The sprint retrospective is a key component of the Agile process, fostering continuous improvement and helping teams become more effective over time by regularly reflecting on and improving their practices. Wrap up. Sprints promote consistent, incremental delivery of high-quality software, enhance team focus, allow for rapid feedback, and enable adaptability to changing requirements.